All right, guys, welcome back to Home on the Edge. Glad to have you here this week. It's elk
At the Cataloochee, where
Valley. And it is absolutely amazing. You can see the river behind us. So if this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. These are the perks of RV living and RV travel. So come along with us and see some elk and some bear and
Lots of bugs.
Lots of bugs. So stick around, Home on the Edge. So we want to say thank you to one of our channel sponsors this week. That is Micro Air. If you haven't seen their stuff for your air conditioners or your thermostat, make sure you check them out on their website. That's going to be in the video description below. Micro Air. They've got some really cool stuff, so check them out. All right, so we're going down into the Cataloochee Valley to try to find elk. We shall see.
And cool.
And cool. And straight down over there. I don't know if you can see that or not. But the video relays the fact.
Oh my gosh. I'm nauseous.
That Mel's gonna puke. 3 miles of this, I think.
What?
Look at that road.
No. Oh my God.
Holy crap.
In the long bed dually.
In the long bed dually. I'm
Yeah.
gonna get you to come over here
You
and
want me to
go
come
ahead and stick your finger in there and
Let
give
me tell you what kind of poop this
get a little
is.
taste of that.
That,
See how fresh it is. See if you find any berries in it.
well, that one's pretty, I don't know.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, this is
Check
gorgeous.
it out. Check it out. Oh, it's beautiful. Wow. Caldwell Fork Trail. Booger Man Trail.
Booger man.
Check this out. This is a log. Wow, check it out. This is gorgeous. It's crazy, man. Better be careful we not find something we ain't looking for. Let's get down here so if we can check these steps out.
Wow.
I don't know if they'll be elk or not, but
It's okay.
it's okay because it is absolutely beautiful. They
No dogs.
no pets though, so we have to leave Honey in the truck, which is probably better because if there was a large animal, she would be a snack. But
Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful.
all right, let's go see what else we can find.
This makes me want to go backcountry hiking and camping.
Yeah.
yeah, it does.
So we're out here in the Cataloochee Valley, and there are some elk out here. We can hear them bugling. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it or not on the microphone, but it's amazing. Oh, God, I can't zoom in on that. So if you guys can't see it, and I doubt that you can, I'm gonna try to zoom in on this later.
I got him.
Absolutely gorgeous.
It's huge. Oh, you can hear another one way off over there.
Way off over there, guys, there's another one, and you can't see it, but there's a bunch of females over there. This big male's calling. Not allowed to enter the fields when there's elk in the field.
Oh, he is majestic.
Yes, he is. Ooh-wee. This river, man. I love the river. Love the river. This is the kind of stuff we RV for, man. Like I said before, not living the RV lifestyle doesn't mean you can't see this kind of stuff. But this sure does make it a lot easier. Look how gorgeous. What do you think about it?
I thought I heard something walking down the creek. Oh my gosh. This is heaven.
So the drive to the Cataloochee Valley viewing area for the elk is about 10 miles of very curvy road, as you can see. So just make sure you take your time. Can be a little bit tedious. And there is a 3 to 4 mile gravel section that does have some tight areas as well. So again, take your time, enjoy the view. The reward is worth the drive for sure.